Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Becky, I'm an artist from the UK, and recently I've been really into doing these huge A2 size oil stick paintings of random vessels and pots I get from charity shops. This is the little collection I've got going at the moment, and I'm very slowly working my way through and painting them. I haven't consciously made it into a series, although I think I probably will now. I've got so many things that I've collected and painted random things at random times, and I thought, well, why not actually turn it into something? So this video I'm going to be doing a few big things, a few little things, but they're all going to be connected as my charity shop trinket series. It took me about an hour to do these big ones. I'm not being super precious. I want them to be loose. I want them to be a bit more gestural and abstract from what I normally do. Yeah, just gives them a bit more personality. There's no rhyme or reason about what I pick from the charity shops to buy. Whatever takes my eye, whatever's a nice shape. Like this blue one's a really cool shape. And whatever I think would translate well to scaling up. I'm using mount board to paint on. It's pretty cheap, pretty accessible. I don't really need to do a lot to prep the surface, and the paint doesn't affect it at all. It doesn't warp, although I tend to leave them flat on the floor when they're drying, just because one of them's got quite a bend in it. But yeah, other than that, I really love it to paint on. I'm absolutely obsessed. I've said it about 10 times before with these oil sticks. They are so soft. It's like painting with lipstick. The price of them makes me sad to use them in the first place because of how quickly they go down, but it's worth it, I think. As I said at the beginning, I've been doing some smaller ones as well. These are sort of ACEO size, sort of 2.5 by 3.5 inches. I just thought they'd be sort of cute companion pieces for them, some sort of cheaper price points if I sell them. I have got all of these already listed on my eBay. If you're interested, I will put my username in the description somewhere. These Sakura Crepas, sort of oil pastel type things, I haven't really used much before. This big tub I got from the charity shop for 50p, so I was pretty pleased about that. Again, they're really soft, really buttery, really easy to use, a nice size for these little mini pieces I'm doing. So along with the bits I've got in my studio, I have this little cabinet in my room of all the other random little bits I buy from charity shops. I've got quite a collection going. Eventually I want to just paint pictures of them all. I think they deserve to be painted and to be loved a bit more than they are, this guy especially. A quick spider warning. I used to have a jumping spider. I called her Hilda. I had her for about 1.5 years, I think. The first spider I've ever kept. I used to be completely afraid of them, and then I started watching keepers on YouTube have them and decided to get on my own. She was a lot of fun. I loved watching her hunt her food and sort of wander around and entertain herself, and so she now forever lives in my little cabinet. This little black dog I made for one of my folklore series, and the 2 dolls in the back I painted and gave the makeover. You might be able to see similar things I did in my Halloween countdown. This head, I love it. I don't know who made it, but I'm glad I found it. These little cats are a recent find. I only got them the other day, but I couldn't resist once you look at their faces. They have the wildest faces. I don't know, I think they said they're made in Scotland, but look at this guy. He's so grumpy. But yeah, I'm definitely going to arrange them in some sort of fashion and paint a lot of pictures of them. And that's it. Thank you so much if you made it to the end. I do appreciate everybody watching my videos. I'm still not very good at this talking lark. I do like to sit and do one video talking and then one video not, until I'm brave enough to do it all the time. Yeah, please check out my eBay if there's anything you like. and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.